Hi, I'm Dr. Allie Duffy here with the Pilates RX. Today we're going to do rolling like a ball modification using the tower. So I have Karina here with me today, and we're going to be starting with the tower sprung from above using 2 long yellow springs and the roll down bar. So we'll set up, and Karina's already well positioned on the tower. To grab onto the bar, I like to take the hands a little bit wide to keep the collarbones a little bit more open, and we will start with just a gentle roll back. So she's going to keep the feet grounded and exhale to articulate the spine back. We'll just go to about the bottom of the shoulder blades and then gently draw the heart and chest forward. So bringing a little bit of articulation into the spine. She can press down into that bar for some more upper body support and then gently come back up. So to set up for this rolling like a ball variation, begin to roll back. Right about there is perfect, so about a halfway back. And I'm gonna have Karina lift the legs up into that tabletop position. From here, keep the bar directly in the same place where it falls on the shins, and we'll begin to take a roll back. So Karina, you're gonna keep that ball shape and roll back onto the mat, bringing the legs with you, and then exhale, bringing it back up. Good, and allow the spine to roll back, eyes on the knees, and gently come back up. What this bar being here does is it gives us a little bit of extra support on the way up, but it also gives us a lot of feedback about how much momentum the legs are providing. So quickly, you'll see if that bar is sliding around on the shins. We'll try 2 more. She's doing a wonderful job so far. And last time, and bring it all the way back up. So you can bring your feet down. We'll let go of the bar, and I like to use this as a prep for rolling like a ball on the mat to really get that idea of a little bit of lift from the upper body while keeping the lower body in a fixed position. So Karina, you can take that partway roll back just like we began. Bring the legs into the lifted posture. Your hands are right through the middle of the shins, eyes on the knees. Take that roll back, inhale, exhale, find your balance at the top. Beautiful. And we roll back, inhale and exhale. Find that balance at the top. You've got it. And we'll take 1 more here. Roll it back and then exhale. Allow your feet to rest down. Beautiful form. Thank you so much for watching this Balanced Body video.